Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Before I cook today, I want to say a big thank you to everyone. We just made 300,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and sharing. Please continue doing that so we'll continue making videos. Our love to everyone. 谢谢.
Thank you.
Today, I'm going to share with you another simple recipe, steamed eggs with shrimp. And you can have this for breakfast or lunch or dinner. You can serve with rice. Steamed eggs in Chinese is?
煎蛋.
Oh, nice. Thank you. 蒸蛋. Let me show you the simple ingredients. I have 2 eggs. They are EB eggs. Eggland's best, right?
EB
Loves
eggs.
those eggs. I always buy them. And 4 shrimp. And this is the finely chopped green onions, just for garnish. And I'm going to just cut up the shrimp. You just need to cut the shrimp into bite-sized pieces. Any shrimp is fine. I'm going to beat the eggs. Add white pepper powder, a little bit salt, now we add the chicken stock, half cup. If you don't have a chicken stock, you can use water. Half cup, just a little bit more. Yep. Just give a mix. Then you drop a shrimp. Now we just cover with a plastic wrap. So this way the steam is not going to drip into the egg mixture. This is how we make it very silky, very smooth. And we're ready to steam. So I already boiled water in my steamer, ready to go. Cover it. Turn the heat to medium. And we're going to steam about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, our egg's ready. Wow. Ta-da!
Wow, that's nice.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Now we are going to garnish with green onions. Okay. And soy sauce. This is a seafood flavor soy sauce. If you don't have it, you can just use regular soy sauce. Does it look beautiful?
Looks really nice.
Can we have a close-up? See how smooth,
Wow, that's nice.
silky they are. Want to try some?
Yeah.
So you can have this by itself, or you can serve over rice. This reminded me of my childhood. Steamed eggs over rice. Ready?
Ready.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Wow. That's delicious.
Isn't it?
Perfect over rice.
Right.
Wow.
So homey, comforting.
And
Again,
simple.
kids will like.
Kids will love it. Kids will love this. And it's very simple. Wow, it's great. And I love that seafood soy sauce. That's good too.
Yeah, that gives some flavor. As I said, if you don't have it, you can just use your regular soy sauce. Please leave me a comment below if you ever had the steamed eggs. As always, I will list the ingredients in the description box. Also, my original recipe actually made with soy milk if you don't want to add the shrimp. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.